Fish, it's Teacher Maggie, and I brought someone super special along for our story today. This is Honey. She's my dog, and she is what's called a therapy dog. So Honey did a lot of classes of dog school, and she learned how to go to classrooms so that kids can read to her, go to hospitals and retirement homes, and I thought that it would be really fun to have her with us with our story today. So Honey and I are going to be reading Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. I know this is one of our favorites. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, get the job done load by load. See if you can see the pictures. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. I know it's a good story. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on his mark. Then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Sigh, then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Shh, good night, crane truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now yawn, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He gets a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, good night, cement mixer, good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads, both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and he wants to sleep. He lowers his head, he locks his gate, and rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh! Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with a thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and as strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He puffs up some smoke out of his stack, turns off the engine, stops his truck. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh, good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arg! And now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig in soon. He'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big, big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, any chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks. Relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Good work today. Now, shh. Good night. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now I'm going to see if Honey will do a little trick for you. Honey, really quick. Come. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. High five. Oops. Get my hand up. High five. Good girl. Here, let's do it so we can see. Sit. High five. Good job, sweetheart. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.